catching them, trapping them, and making taxidermy out of some of our native bird life. Some be sold overseas to fund these further travels. Some got distributed to various museums in this country. So if you have seen a stuffed kiwi, there is a high chance it's come from Seymour Island there.
Seals. And they're playing in the water, it's so cute.
They do water work at night time, swimming to great depths around 235 metres, or holding their breath for 10 to 20 minutes at a time as they hunt. And they come back on the rocks during the day to rest and digest, and sleep on Sundays, not in great.
I need the toilet, guys. We're not going to be to the toilet for an hour.
It's toilet time.
I need to get away from the gushing noises.
out here.
Hey guys, we've just been to watch the rugby.
Yeah. Highlanders versus the Westerns.
Dad got a picture with Curly Beale. Look at these two super fans.
They're now Islander fans.
Whoa.
Islanders.
How did you feel? What was your favourite part of the game?
Oh, the flames.
Mum didn't like any of the rugby, just the flames. Dad? Getting your picture with Curly Beale?
Yes, that was a good moment, yeah.
No, actually, I liked all the shouting and everything, you know.
Yeah, you like shouting, don't you? So.
It's nice just to get rid of that pent-up
Yeah,
energy.
we liked all the hard tackles that went in.
Oh yeah, some
Big
of them,
hits.
Another hard tackle.
some of them were brutal.
So the try that we scored towards the end with like 3 minutes to go.
You're already a
Highlander,
a big fan.
big.
Really
Well,
committed.
I didn't think I would be, because usually when I go to sporting events I support the team,
The opposition,
underdog,
the
and the
underdog, yeah.
opposition, who everyone else
Isn't
doesn't.
supporting.
Yeah, but no, I enjoyed that, being part of the collective.
Yeah, and I've got official merch now, so I am an official fan.
She's an official fan, you've heard it here first. Rugby is going to be a new thing in our house. I liked all the nippy people that just like
All the wingers.
all the wingers, yeah. And going on the pitch, that was pretty cool.
Yeah,
Oh,
go on
so
the pitch.
cool going on the pitch, yeah. So cool.
Technically you weren't allowed GoPros in there, so we've got very limited footage.
Yeah, they smuggled it in.
Oh well.
Lovely. Very pleasant.
Very pleasant. It's very mild today. This is looking out over Cromwell, which is where we're going. We'll get there in like 5 minutes. But yeah, very pleasant indeed. Jump scare. You're not the bug anymore, it's more. Dad's fighting with his jumper to get it on. Probably can't hear you from all the way up there.
You can see Steve's hair's moving in the wind.
We're in a place called Cromwell and it's really cute. And it's got old school vibes.
Old school vibes.
What do you have to say to the vlog parents?
Well, I wouldn't call it old school because technically there is no school.
Whoa.
No, it's really, it's like,
Oldie worldy.
Oldie worldy.
yeah. It sort of gives me like old American vibes. With all the buildings.
You've never been
Well,
to,
yeah.
you've only been to America once.
No, but like from what I see on TV in the
And we've come down a highway.
Disney World Florida gives you oldie worldy vibes, doesn't it?
Yeah, this is Disneyland, Florida.
Well, if you look at that over there, that view, it's just pretty Canada vibes. I've been to
But we have come down the highway 8 as well.
Highway to Cromwell. Highway to Cromwell. I don't really want this, so I'm gonna hand that back to you.
You hand it back, I'll have it later.
You have it later. What do you have to say?
Not much, not much. Looking forward to
Yummy hot
Lake
Jackie.
Pukaki. Lake Pukaki.
He's looking forward to watching the Grand Prix if he can.
I'm looking forward to watching the Grand Prix, but it'll be the highlights. Right, predictions for who's coming first, second, third. David. Quick fire predictions. You won't even be able to hear it. Shout to the camera.
Osama bin Russell.
Yeah.
Hajar P2.
Really? No, I don't think Hadjar's on.
And Charles P3.
Right, Dad, your predictions.
I think they're all going to crash, and Alonso and Stroll are going to win.
Right, my predictions. I think Russell is going to be P1. I think that Charles is going to be P2, and I think Oscar's going to be P3.
That's crazy.
Crazy. This is called Lindis Pass, guys, and David just told me that it's the main road connecting Queenstown to Christchurch. But look how stunning. Oh, so here's the van. Everyone's in the van. I will give you a tour of the van at some point. Hopefully today when we get to where we're going. I'll give you a tour of the van because I've not done that yet. But yeah, look how stunning these views are. Look at the hills. They're just magical. The hills, they're just so pretty. I'm so happy to be back like within the mountains again. I just love it. I just love being near the mountains because they're just amazing. Amazing structures. Who's creeping out of the van? I think it's Dad. Can't see him because it's behind the door, but yeah, love it. The vlog is getting a sneak peek into the van because I've still not done a tour yet. So this is me sat waiting to leave, and here's David on the other side. What's it?
Kimmy Antonelli.
Kimmy Antonelli.
It's had 3 wees, that toilet.
The toilet has had 3 wees, everyone.
All by Louise.
All by Louise. There's only one person weeing in this toilet.
Because Louise.
It's Louise going to the loo.
Lou does wee.
Who wants a Lindt chocolate? Anyone? Louise? I'll have one. I'll have one. Am I not allowed? You're allowed a good one. You know which one these are my favourite. I love the strawberries and cream. Dad's ready to leave and David's still wandering around. Sit down, boy. This is a bit of an unusual scenario. It's not normally David in the back. David's normally in the front on the driver's seat, but not today. He's now in the back. Anyway, sneak peek. That's my bedroom. That's the kitchen. But give you a proper tour. Bye. 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 We've arrived at our campsite, guys. Wait for this view. Just wait. This isn't the view yet. You're not ready. Wait. Still wait. Look at the mountain. This is Mount Cook, guys, which is the tallest mountain in New Zealand, so he said. My geography expert over here told me that. Look at it. It's so pretty. Clouds. Got a big layer of clouds up there. Mount Cook, guys, it's so pretty. We've just been up on that hill up there and we've decided to walk down here. Look how blue the water is. I don't know if it'll show up properly on the GoPro, but it's so blue. It's so pretty. This is like one of the prettiest places I've ever sat in my whole life. I love it. This is one of my favourite spots, I think. Darling?
Yeah. That's how blue it looked last time I was here.
Okay. It's not that blue, but it's still quite blue.
I think.
Oh, the GoPro's
so
gonna
do it very good justice.
lose its mind because I'm only on 8%.
Can you see the background properly?
I don't know. I'm testing it out. Oh, try again. The wind, probably too windy.
Well, you can see it a little bit.
I've got a pardon. I need to not go too near the edge. It's me. Hey vlog. Today we are at Mount Cook and I need to ask David how you say the other name for it because I want to call it that as well. And we're doing the Hooker Valley track walk, but part of it is closed, so I think we're just doing about an hour of it, which will be good. But yeah. Oh, watch out, Dad. But it's very cloudy today, so we might not really actually get to see Mount Cook, but that's what we can see so far. Here's Mum. Wrapped up, here's Dad. He's not got shorts on for a change because it's that cold. And David's, I don't know where David is, so that's going well. But yeah, looking forward to this walk. Even though we probably won't get the best views, I think it'll still be pretty good. So yeah, see you in a bit. That's where the mountain's meant to be, but it's covered by cloud, so we can't see it. Maybe it'll miraculously just move. But
Yeah, blow really hard.
this is glacial water down there, which is pretty cool. And we're going to go across that bridge. Look at that view. Wow.
Milky, isn't it?
Oh,
Milky blue.
milky blue. Let's go down, shall we? Nice angle, this. We're crossing the bridge, guys.
That might be 12.
Oof, that water. Here we go. Wibbly wobbly. Ooh. It's a bit wibbly wobbly, isn't it? behind the scenes. We made it to the end of the track that is open, because the track continues down there, but it's closed because I think one of the bridges is getting repaired or something, I read. But yeah, this is very pretty. Mount Cook is there somewhere. Oh, is it actually? Oh, is it that way? There, then? Somewhere there. It's still there, we just can't see it. Still a nice walk though. Nice to see the glacial water.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Big Daddy waterfall.
Yeah, I know. And some waterfalls in there in the distance. Very nice. Welcome to Lake Tekapo vlog. Look how blue the water is. It's insane. I'm smiling literally like with this.
Look at it, it's so blue.
So blue. This is the Church of the Good Shepherd.
Yes. It's the Church of the Good Shepherd.
The Church of the Good Shepherd.
It's very pretty.
It's very
I
pretty.
like
It's very
stonework.
tiny.
It's shiny.
But it's very pretty. It's very bright today actually. Oh, you can look in the window. Let's see. Ah, I can see inside. I'm gonna have a look. Well, you're just gonna get somebody stacking it, aren't you, on the inbox? Not somebody being Steve.
Oh, it would be quite funny.
Going to check the temperature. of
It's
the
alright.
water
You do what you want.
in Lake Tekapo.
She was saying, hang on, other people are going down there. And I was like, oh no, you do what you want.
Well, it's because it's gone cold. It's colder on my hand. I took it out. It went cold, really cold,
Yeah.
because of the wind.
My fingers are ice cubes now. Ankle.
It's very pretty blue. I bet it's amazing when all the lupins are out. There's a couple left over, but they're all mainly gone now because they're a summer thing, and it's basically autumn now here. Or like end of spring. Is it end of spring? No. End of summer, autumn. There's Mum. Everyone's just in a triangle. You're like the bodyguard at the back, Dad. I need to pay you. What's the charge? Very pretty here. Pretty and blue. And there's the church up there. What do you think, Mum?
I think it's gorgeous.
Like Tekapo.
Yes, it's stunning.
It is
Again,
stunning.
stunning
Another
word.
stunning
I
blue.
just, the colour of the water is just gorgeous.
I know.
It's just like it's a beautiful blue.
It is a beautiful blue.
And I love the trees in the background there, the mountains, and
The mountains.
yeah, it's very nice.
Very nice.
Feels very calming.
Yeah.
The coach load of people that just arrived.
Yeah. That is true.
But it's very, very nice.
Very nice. We like it a lot. Here's some of the lupins, guys. There they are. That's how you can imagine it would be, with the lupins there and the water. Very pretty.